Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to show and hide the smart list on the reminders application using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application reminders which is built into the Mac computer. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go all the way down to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the reminders application. Press enter to open up the application. So in order for us to show and hide the smart list, let's go to the top toolbar. Click on Window. Go to View. Show smart list. Let's click today's schedule all, or what we can do is go to the side navigation menu, click on all, hide scheduled, hide today, and the smart list itself has all been hidden. Let's go back to view, show smart list, click on today, that's back, click on scheduled, that's back, and now click on all. Or what we can do is go back to view, show smart list, today, scheduled, and all. To hide the smart list, go back to view, show smart list, today, scheduled, all. And so that's how you show and hide the smart list on your reminders application. We can now quit reminders. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.